Hello, Forex traders. Hello, Forex traders. It's nice being with you guys this day. Today, come 1st of March 2025, the first day of March 2025. So we are the weekend, the market is top. There's a concept I want to teach you today. It's called how to spot a reversal. How to spot a reversal. How to spot a dying trend. A trend that is losing momentum, a trend that is dying. And once we know that the trend is dying, then we'll be talking about reversal. Okay, so how do we spot a dying trend? Well, before we go to the nitty-gritty of the day, please kindly like, subscribe, and share this channel. Keep subscribing. I told you that I got you back. I will keep giving it to you back to back. Whatever you need in this business to become successful, I'm going to give it to you. So right now, please continue to like and subscribe. This is Living on Forex. I want to kindly share my screen with you guys right now, right now, right now. Okay, done. Where you are inside of my screen, what you're actually seeing is that's my screen. So guys, I will be showing you how to spot a reversal, a weak trend, a trend that is dying. So let me use a clear chart. Let's use the USD JPY. Now, you know how I do, you know how I trade do my trade. So right now, I will just go out, remove everything I've done here. Okay. So now we want to draw the support and the resistance. First of all, when you look at this market, this is USD JPY. When you look at this market, the market is actually in a bullish move from what you're saying. But so you want to pick your trend line. This is the monthly time frame. But of course, for those of you who have been following me on this channel, you know how I do my analysis from the top to the down, top down analysis. We take it from the monthly time frame. Monthly time frame is where we draw the direction of the market. We see the direction of the market. So if I take a trend and I draw a trend like this, I draw a trend like this, like this. Okay, so from what I, sorry. So from what I'm seeing here, this trend, this market has changed direction. It was in a bullish move, and then it broke this, and then it broke this. So it has broken the the trend. So it's about to start a bearish phase. But however, I will show you why I said it is that broken and it's going down. Let me draw let me take the highest point, the all-time high, and then you go to weekly time frame, you look at levels. Okay, so we draw your major support and resistance levels. Okay, let's take this because of this move and this move. It is an important zone to watch, to be watchful of. Now, guys, first of all, so, so guys, first of all, you want to spot a trend that is dying. This is like a let me use a clear screen here. Let me use something here. Okay, guys, so now you see this man, this young man that is here, this young man that is here, he's running, he is running, and something is tying, something is he's tying a rubber band. Call him the rubber band man. He's tying a rubber band around his waist, okay, and he's running. But each time he runs, the rubber band keep pulling him back. The rubber band keep pulling him back. That rubber band is like an impediment towards his running. So let's assume he's running something tied on his waist, but each time he runs, Then I know he's running to this level. From here, this is a support level, this resistance level. Now, as he's running, he runs, he rested, he runs, he rested, and then he runs and he rested more. He runs and he rested more. He runs, he rested, he runs. Now, when you see this pattern, guys, when you see this pattern, that should tell you that still something is happening. The rubber band keep dragging this young man back, and he is not making any new effort. He's not breaking any new records. Now, from the beginning, the trend was healthy. Look at how he's running. Each time he makes another run after he rests, he makes another effort. He makes a new high. But at this point, he runs to this. This effort here is not bigger than this. This one is bigger than this. And you see the level of rest here is bigger than this level of rest. That should tell you that the man is losing steam. He's losing steam. He doesn't have any energy. And then he tried. He ran with his last blow and he made a new high. Wow, that's good. But he rested even more than what he did here. And then he made another run. He could not break up this level, this previous level. And he rested more. And then he runs. He could not break this level. When you see this behavior, when you see this behavior in the forex market, when you see this behavior, that should tell you that this market is losing steam. This market is losing momentum. The buying side is losing momentum. And then the market wants to pull. The market wants to pull. The market wants to change trend. The trend is dying. The trend is weakening because the buyers are not doing anything new any longer. Each time they make a new high, the deal has to give a discount. Now take this stuff to be like a dealer, okay? A shop. You own the shop, and then you want to sell your goods at a high price, but you could not get any buyer. So whenever you don't get a buyer, whenever a goods is in a shop and no person is buying it at a particular price, it is normal. This is a concept that happens in the normal general market, apart from the forex market, just the buying and selling pattern. What you see in the normal market, the way people behave, the way buyers and sellers behave in the general market, the same thing comes to the forex market, guys. There's nothing new there. There's nothing special there. It's just that when you come to the forex market, you embrace it with another mindset, forgetting that it is the buyers and the sellers' behavior. Okay, so the same way the buyers and sellers behave in normal market, that is how they behave here. So when the commodity, when buyers are not willing to buy a goods at a high price, automatically the dealer will give a discount. The dealer will give a discount. Why is he giving a discount? He wants people to buy. So whenever you see this kind of move, if the trend is healthy, you will keep seeing fewer rest and more new highs, fewer rest and more new highs, fewer rest and more new highs. Like something like this. Let me remove this young man, this rubber band man, who tie rubber band around his waist and runs. But each time he runs, the rubber band keep pulling him back. Now, if the trend, this is this, 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 this. Now, these two trends, these two markets, they are very, very different. The reason why they are different is because this particular one, you see the beginning and you see the next move, the next run, he keeps running harder than what he did. He rested, he keeps doing more than what he did. He keeps doing more than what he did. When you look at this particular market, this market, the trend is still healthy, guys. The trend is healthy and it's not ready for reversal. But when you see this, the trend is no longer healthy. The trend is weakening. So what will happen here is that this man will now come here and then he will not do this. He will not do this and then finally collapse. This thing happens in the market. I've seen it happen over and over again, and I'm telling you what it is. Because nobody is willing to buy at the high price. The dealer gives a discount. And then whenever he gives a discount, people buy. And then at this price, people refuse to buy. He will give a discount, more people buy. But the buyers are no longer strong. The buyers are no longer many. He gives more discount. In fact, when you see a market that is supposed to go up, keep coming down with aggression, with serious momentum, that should tell you that people are not willing to pay on a high price on that particular pair, on that particular currency. They are not willing to pay on a high price. You should understand that the forex business, it's a price business, a price game, not the line you draw, not the support and resistance lines you draw. Okay? Not the support and resistance lines you draw, guys. The market must not reverse in your support or resistance. What happened is that it is the price game. These numbers here, guys, these numbers here, these numbers that you're seeing, this is what is the business. So are they willing to pay at the high price? Are they willing to pay at the low price? Now, in this particular market, you see that the market is reversing. Okay, the market is reversing because the buying pressure is weakening by each move. Then you see this aggressive drop. Each time the rubber mama wants to run, he could not take off his previous high. And then you see this, and that is why you see this structure forming. And that is why I always tell you the power of head and shoulders. Guys, this structure is so powerful that this is the best structure. This is the only what I trade in the forex market. You have to discover that thing that is your edge and make use of it. Keep doing it back until it becomes boring to you. That is when you make big money in forex. In fact, this stuff is what I look at for whenever I do my analysis. Because the reason why I choose this structure is the time it takes for it to form. It gives you a whole lot of information about that market. Now, watch this chart currently. Now, let's come in practicality and see how this plays out in real life so that you'll be able to see that it is not just a concept out of nowhere. It's something that happens. So this market, this forex market is the buying and selling market. Buying and selling market. Okay. So it is what the behavior of the buyers and seller determines if the market is going to respect the support and the resistance. Now imagine there are a lot of buyers willing to buy. It is reasonable that the dealer will not give a discount. That is why you see market going in one direction without even reversing, because people are willing to pay more. They keep paying more. Okay. Now let's come back to our chart. Okay, now observe this market. Observe this market. So let's assume the trend begins here. You see this aggressive move, rested, aggressive move, rested, more, rested. This is a deep pullback. It did stuff like this as if it wants to reverse. It continued to go, fine. It goes. Now, as it's approaching this level, what happens? The market pulled. It rested a little. He pulled. He rested more. He pulled. He rested. Look at all these pins. Go up, come down, pull again. Will not do anything serious. Come. Now, the time he did something and broke this high, what happened? He rested even more. In fact, this rest moved out, took out all the previous lows. One, this low, and this low. It took it out. And then broke the trend. That is the first sign. That is the first sign. But at this point, guys, what you will do is don't put the trigger yet. Observe him when he comes back to these levels. What did he do? Did he break it, or he actually respected it? Now he came and respected and then pulled, where at this point he started consolidating and reject. He went back that region and then he collapsed. That is when you've gotten your structure. let me use the monthly time frame. This is the head. This is the head and shoulder structure that I'll be preaching about. One, head, and then this. Okay, so you saw the structure. So when it came back to this level, it could not do anything. Just respected this. He could not break this high that it did, and he could not break all of these highs. So this is a reversal. This is how you spot your reversal, and then the market is officially reversed. That is why when I look at the chart, I'll tell you UJ or this pair is officially reversed, has officially reversed. That is how it works. Okay, now let's go to another pair. I want to show you one more example. One more example, guys. One more. Let me see GJ. No, GPP, JPY. Okay, so let me clean off everything here. Now, okay, so you watch this, our young man that started, the market started pulling here. You saw this move. Well, shows healthy. He rested, he rested. Now, the retracement is making are not taking up the previous high. So the market is still healthy. He moved, came back there, and he could not take up this previous low. So the buying pressure is still there. So observe what he did. Now he make another strong move, big, almost equal to what he did last or bigger. Then he rested a little, he pulled. And then observe what he did around this environment. He rested, and then he made a small move again, which is not even equal to the ones he has made before. And then he rested more. Now this rest more took out this low, he took out this other low. Then when you see this, then the next time he made the move, he could not do anything serious. Look at the small candle. He rested, he could not do anything, he rested more. Now pulled up, rested, pulled, and now he rested more and he do. So as he's going up, the buying pressure are weakening. Look at those candles. Look at those candles here. Look at this candle. Look at this move. Sorry. Look at this bullish move here. Nothing serious. Look at this. Nothing serious. Done. When you see this, it's done. So I don't care if your moving average, if your trend line has not crossed, this one has not happened, is the support or don't care about that. Observe price action. This is totally price action. When you see this behavior, you should know that people are not willing to pay more any longer for this currency, this pair, and they are dumping it. They are dumping it. Look at that aggressive move. So if you want to draw your trend, the market may have not. Okay, so if you should take your trend like this, okay, take your trend like this, take it from here, take it from here, take it from here. So you observe that this trend is broken. See, so this aggressive move broke this trend, and then each time the market comes to it, the market could not do anything serious. Look at those rejections and the candlesticks. Look, the next time he did this. So you see these two movements here. When each time he tried to make a bullish move, the market, he could not do anything serious. He could not make any new highs. So that should tell you that this market has reversed officially. So if you look at the head, the right shoulder, and the left shoulder, and then the market falls. So just wait. If you do not take this trade, wait for this market to take out these levels, this level here, and then you are good to sell. But for me, I've started selling already because a new trend has started forming. You look at this, you take here, a new trend has ensued. Okay, so We go to a lower time frame. You go to a lower time frame. Shh. You go to a lower time frame. You go to a lower time frame. When you go to a lower time frame, it happens in all time frame, guys. Don't ask me which time frame am I looking at. Just whatever you are, whether you're a day trader, you are swing trader, what kind of trader you are, it works. Observe the trend and you will know. Now look at this. Now this is a 4-hour chart, and then you see this strong move here. This strong move here. The strong move. The strong move came aggressive. He retraced, and then he moves more, but he could not take up. He rested. He moves, but he could not take up this height. Then you see the next rest, it rest even more, taking out all of these lows. When you see this, you should know that this is a selling market. The market has started selling. Now, it did some consolidation in this region, but each time he's making, let me show you something. Let me show you something. So see this region here, and then this region here. So these two regions is consolidating within this region. But generally, we know that this market it's going to sell. And once you say to break this environment and then continue to trend downward, the reason is because the overall flow of this market is not bearish. So the 4-hour will align. One thing I want to tell you about this forex market is if the big boys, the weekly and the monthly time frame says buy, and then 4 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, 2 hours saying sell, where they will sell a little bit, but later on they will align to start buying, following the big boys, because it's big boys that do what? It's these big boys that run this market. So they will later on join the buying pressure if the big boys say they are going buying. But what about the big boys saying they are going south? Okay. The small boys, the small guys, and all of them will later on, even if at that particular time, the week 4 hour, 1 hour, 15 minutes are saying buy, why the weekly and daily and monthly are saying sell. Just a matter of time, they will come to a point, find support, and then they pull. This is what happens in the market. So whenever you've gotten the direction from the higher time frame, stick with that because that is where the big money is. Once the market aligns in the daily and 4 hours, telling you I'm going the same direction with the big boys, then you should know that you have a very nice trade to make money. And that is how you see me making 200 pips, 400 pips, 300 and something pips, 500 pips. This is how I'm able to make it. So guys, thank you very much. I said, let me update you so that you'll be able to understand the concept of reversals so that whenever you go to your chart, you'll be able to know what is going on. Now, if you watch this Euro USD, the same thing is happening. The market is moving aggressively to this. Look at this place is the resistance. This environment. The market moves, moves, and moves. On getting there, it rested more. See this rested more, collapsed, and then moves again aggressively as if it's going to break. But when it gets there, it rested. It moves, could not take off this high because of this rejection. He respected it and then it drops. And then the next time he tries, the same spot, he drops. And then look at what happened. It collapsed. So for those who were saying within the week that this thing happened, this collapse, this moves happen within this week. Some people will say, Euro years wants to reverse. It's not reversing anything because of all of this. When I saw this move, I was just observing this region and how the market was playing out within this region. I saw that the market was not breaking it, and the movement is not as strong as what it has done before. So I know that this region is locked. The same thing happened on Euro JPY this week. Euro JPY this week. This particular environment, I was on this trade though. This is a very nice head and shoulder structure. And each time the market comes in, we took this trade off of this environment, and then the market was playing throughout the week. The market played around this environment, but before the market closed on Friday, look at this strong sell. Market broke it. Look at our TP. This is over 100 pips. I think so. 100 something pips trade, and then the market dropped, and then it reversed. Then when it reversed with this strong aggressive candle, 1, 2, 3, see how strong these candles are. On getting to this environment, look at what happened. The market respected with a strong rejection, and then this happens, and then it gives us another rejection, and then it dropped. So when you see all of this, when you see all of this, you will notice that that this market is not respecting this environment. It is this seller's market. Okay, so guys, I've been able to tell you what is going on, and I've been able to teach you what I feel will help you. So go back, observe the market, observe the behavior when the market is approaching your trend, your zone. Observe what the market is doing. When you observe what the market is doing, you will be able to know that this trend is healthy or this trend is dying. So when you do that, it will help you to spot reversals very on point, very early when the reversal is happening. Because before the market gives you that structure I told you about, the market must have given you all of these signs. So once the market gives you all of these signs, then you know that the market has officially reversed, because the market will give you that move, drop, give you, and it could not take out, it will not do anything serious. The more it goes up, the weaker it becomes. And the going up is going, it is not taking up the previous highs again, just getting weak. Then you know that that trend has died, it's collapsed, the drop is coming. And then when you are on that trade after the structure has formed, it will make massive profits. So thank you very much. I believe this must have helped 1 or 2 persons out there who are struggling. Just go to your chart, observe. Even if you're a 4-hour trader, you are 1-hour trader. For those of you who are a day traders, it happens in all time frame. It will help you. Just after drawing your support and resistance, observe how market behaves as it's approaching that your region. It will not tell you, it will not guide you what to do. If the trend is healthy, you see that strong candles going to that region. Then you know that that trend is healthy and it's likely to break that region. But if you're behaving like this, as I explained from this video, going up and it's not doing anything serious, then you know that that region will reverse the market, and then you pull your trigger. So thank you very much for staying true to this video. This is Living on Forex. Please keep like and subscribe. If you like, whatever comment, whatever chart you want us to analyze, drop in the comment section and I'm here for you. So thank you very much, and I'm signing out. See you in the next video. Peace out.